ngayon ba wala akong live. Dalawang araw na akong walang live. Meron din akong papakita sa inyo ba. We have here a friend, American friend. His name was Greg. Masyado kami nahirapan, uy. Masyado siyang islang magsalita ba.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Kilala ko sa inyo, ha. Greg, just only say hi about my content. This I called Greg, my friend in US. American.
Yeah, I'm from Detroit, Michigan.
Alright. No.
Murder capital.
We always speak in English. We try to speak in English but not fluently, but we can understand any.
Yeah, you speak English. You speak English.
Alright, tingnan nyo, no. Ang galing niya mag-English, eh.
Take care.
Thank you, Greg. May short video. Hirap masyado, eh. Grabe. Bye-bye siya. After this, I
Oh no!
Di, ang labi yun na tinuod.
Nakuan mo ni reduce kuan ni ko
Kabong.
nauna na kuan ni basig mo kuan ba basig mo mahimon makurunbit hinon ba
Wow naman.
Sabaw yun na may ano kay Rick. At migapo. Hindi mo siya nga. Kau,
6 years old at least.
bawa kumagay.
here's my friend.
Pwede na ko.
Spoken in Dallas. That's why we talk sometimes. Even we can speak English, not fluently, but we can speak. This my friend is ready in US.
Nagapan na may.
He's a big tall man. He's a big tall man. His height is almost 6'3". Yes, yeah, 6'3". 6'4". You see 6'4". Then his age is 72. But you see that.
Wakay.
No. It's not. Hindi siya live, boy. He's not alive. Hindi ko na muna video. I make a long form video. After this, I make edit.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
He might not know how to keep it now, but he gonna get some.
Yeah.
dagko
It's now
mura pag ulo sila
Greg
takduan
From Detroit.
from Detroit. It's American.
Gusto mo na manahimik, ha? Gusto mo mapunta sa laga?
Americano.
Gabi naman